defense radars, which is used to detect the aeroplanes or missiles. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Creative Astronaut 7 and show. We are making projects and prototypes, and in this video we are going to upgrade a previous speaker to a Bluetooth speaker. Without wasting further time, let's get into the video and start building the project. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Only then you will be notified whenever we are uploading a new video. If you want to follow us on any social media, link in the description, follow us there. Now let's get into the video.
This is the Bluetooth audio receiver board which we are going to use in this project. This board can handle up to 5 volt. Greater than 5 volt will fry this board, so be careful about voltages. And 3 pins, L out, R out and ground. These 3 pins are for giving the output of audio. In the previous video of Pam8403 amplifier board, we built a speaker out of an audio jack. Now we are just going to use this Bluetooth speaker. If you didn't watch my previous video, I highly recommend you to watch that video first. Only then you can understand this video much better. The L out, R out means left out and right out of the speaker, and ground for ground. These are to be connected with the PAM amplifier. I have given a circuit for connections. Please watch it. The circle is nothing but a capacitor of value greater than 1000 microfarad, and it's not optional. The work of a capacitor is just to prevent voltage dropout. We have completed our work with the help of circuit diagram. Be aware that no wire is short circuited, which may lead to frying the board. Okay, let's test it before we are fitting it to a box. Open Bluetooth devices and search for any new devices available. If you can't find any new devices, please double check your connections again and then check it. Let's scan it again, and we found BTSS1. This is the Bluetooth receiver board version 1. Okay, once we are pairing it, our speaker will give out some music as a confirmation that the device is connected with a mobile phone. Now let's check it with a video of how the speaker is working.
Press the bell icon. Only then you will be notified whenever we are uploading a new video. And at the end of the video, I have given the hint for the next video. If you can find, comment it down.
Yes, it's working as we expected. Now it's time to fit it into a box. That's it, guys. We have completed our first Bluetooth speaker. If you have any doubts, please comment it down. I am ready to help you at any time. And even comment out any ideas for building our next project. So it's time to say goodbye. Watch the video till the end. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family and comment down how it is. See you in another great content.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is Creative Astronaut and I'm Shiva. We are making projects and prototypes. In this video, we are going to convert a normal keyboard into a super cool keyboard. Everyone for supporting me. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Only then you will be notified whenever we are uploading a new video. At the end of the video, I have given the hint for the next video. If you can find, comment it.